Today we are going to see about importing data from Excel. This is Satish Kumar from SK Tech YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel, then only what are the new video I am posting will reach you automatically. Let us into the topic. So here I am going to show you demo how to read the data from Excel and how to create an item from the data. Okay. Let us into the demo. Okay, so importing data into Sitecore. So normally when we want to read data from Excel, we need some DLL like interop DLL or some other third-party DLL we need to use to read to open the XML and open the Excel and read the values. Once the values is read from the Excel and update in a local object like data set or data table or some list, we can update use that data. We can update the data in the Sitecore CMS. Okay, let us into the demo. So I will show you dry demo and by debugging also, so that you will get how to read from data from Excel and create item. Okay, here for this I am using code stack development DLL. That's a third party DLL for reading data from Excel. Okay. Let us into the demo. Today I am going to show a demo how to import data from Excel. Okay, I'll show you how to import data from Excel into Sitecore. For that I am having an Excel file in the path in the C drive. Excel folder, this test.xml. Let me show you the data as well. Okay, this is the data I am having. Okay, K Kumar, SS Satish Kumar. Okay, this is the data, this two data I am having. Okay, and let me explain the implementations. For importing the data from Excel, I am having on external DLL. I have downloaded from Google, that is code stack component export.dll. This is a third party DLL. I have added a reference in my project. Okay, if you see this, I had a reference in my project. Let me show you the code as well. So in that controller, the same home page controller, I have written this method: get data table from Excel. From the data table, I am just creating the item. Okay, let me go to that data table Excel. So it's nothing but it uses that third party DL method, offline open XML package. It reads the data and return as a stream. This from the stream of data we are reading the first workbook sheet. Okay, here we are just reading the column. Okay, these columns are added to the data table add columns, and similarly the next one is reading the data. Okay, so with this object W cells object, okay, here PK worksheet, the worksheet we have created object. From this worksheet object we are using cells of this type, row number and end of column and everything. Okay, so this is just we are looping the row number, reading the first column. Similarly, respective columns we can read from a row of this cells column. Okay, this is the code, and it just just fill the data table. Okay, with columns and rows. So once that is done, I am pausing this to create item method. Go to the implementation. Here if you see, I am just looping from the data table. So similarly from the template I am just getting the parent item where which I need to create item, and this is a template. So using that, this is the data table for loop. I am just reading what are the data table data is available. So I am just creating a node. In that node I am just updating the details, name, age, email address, etc. Okay, so first initially I will show you a dry demo so that what are the data available in the Excel, how it's imported in local. So the Excel file here, so if you open, these two data are available. Okay, so if we go to that CMS part, you won't be seeing that item. Okay, that item is not there. Okay, now I'm just refreshing this home page. 1 minute. Okay, I'm getting this error. Maybe the Excel is open. Okay, let me close that Excel file. So I'm just closing the Excel file. Now I'm refreshing the page. I think it's loading the data. It will take some time to read the data from the Excel file and convert to data table. From data table, just insert the record into the item. So it's up to you. You can directly write the data without using the data table as well. Okay. Now the data imported successfully. Now let me see the data here. I'm giving a refresh. Okay, no problem. Let me give the refresh. Let me check. Yeah, this SS Kumar, this is my data, SS Sadish my data, and KK Kumar. Let me check the data, everything is available, correct? Yes, name, age, my data came, and another one is KK Kumar. Where is KK Kumar? Okay, it's not there. Here it's there, okay? KK Kumar. Now the data is imported into the Sitecore. Okay. Now let me show the data by debugging. Let me show the demo by debugging this, what is happening in the background, so that you will get a firm grip of this implementation. Okay. First, let me change the data in the Excel file. So let me give some different data so that otherwise it will give some error. So let me change this data to something like A Kumar and SS Sarish to maybe okay, let me change to BB ZZZZZ. No, I can give BB Sadish. Okay, let me change this data as well. Maybe 34. This is maybe 45. This email also I am changing. A Kumar. Okay. Okay, then I'm just changing this as well. Okay, BB Shadish. Okay, let me share this and I'm closing this. Now I'm going to attach the debugger. Okay, I have attached the debugger. Let me put the debugger in the create item as well. Okay, debug points. Okay, now it's ready. I'm going to refresh here. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay. Now the breakpoint came. Let us continue. It came here. So in this code, what happens is just reading the Excel, just reading the from the IO path from the third party DLL. It just loading the Excel file as a stream, and then from that loaded object, the Excel packages, we are reading the worksheet 1. Okay, so after that data table is created, and the data table columns are written as per the available columns in the Excel. Now the column has been added in the data table. Now we are reading the data row. So for each cell in WSSLs, we are reading first cell, and first cell is the particular row. From the row, we are reading all the data. Okay. Okay. Cell.text, current row, current cell, cell.text. Now this is done. For each row, the respective cells data we are reading and assigning to data table. Data table rows as a row. Okay. You can use any third party DL. You can use interop service DL as well. So I use this code compact DLL. You can use any DLL to read the data from Excel. Okay. Now the data table reading is completed. Now I'm going to write this to CMS. That is using this data, I'm creating a Sitecore item. Okay. So now master database loaded, template assigned, and parent node, that is parent node, that is folder path where to create it. Now based on this data table rows, I am creating the item based on the name. Yeah, item is created. So I am assigning the what are the values present in the data table to my created item. Okay, let me show that what are the data available. Okay, so that this is A Kumar, right? This age. Okay, let's see, right? We will go and see this as well. Expand. We will see the value. Okay, email address value. Okay, this is the value. Similarly, this one, age, right? Item array 45. Okay, so I'm just reading this. There are 2 records in this Excel, so it will repeat for 2 times. So just for the next record, just loading the data. Item is created, so assigning the values. Once assigned, let me show the data available from the data table. Let me show that. Okay, this data, you have PB Sharish, similarly age 34, and email ID bbsharish@gmail.com. Okay, now I am full running. Data is imported now. Data is imported successfully. Okay, let me go and check in the CMS. Currently I don't have that AABBR series. So I'm just refreshing this item. Okay, problem, refreshing items. Yeah, now A Kumar and baby share is loaded. Okay, let me show you the data available in this item. Okay, it's just here this you can see the A Kumar data is 45 and email address. Similarly, BB Sharish, right? Let's see the BB Sharish data. Yeah, BB Sharish 34 and A Sharish. Okay, this is a simple demo of importing data from Sitecore. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. Then only what are the videos I am posting will reach you automatically. This is Sarish Kumar signing off. Thank you guys. Good luck. Bye bye.